What's up, guys? Carson with The Complete Couple. We're about to do my favorite part of the cruise, the casino. Check it out. We're gonna do a casino tour. Let's go check out the best slots and tables. Alrighty, Casino Royale. Let me tell you, I did a walkthrough already. This thing is huge. So we got the coin combos here as we walk in, a huge bay of coin combos. This is gonna be hard to film. We've got the Bazao Fu. We've got the dancing drums, an absolute staple in any casino. We got some table games here on this side here. Let's see what we got here. We've got blackjack, I believe, single deck. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. We got some roulette on the other side. Center area right there is a bar. What is this right here? Blackjack. Craps. It is not crapsless. It is just regular craps. So you cannot bet on 2, 3, or 11 and 12. You got Texas Hold'em table, so they're going to be doing some Texas Hold'em here. Another roulette table. Let's just do one more trip around this side and then we'll see the rest of the slots. So you got Ultimate Texas Hold'em. Ultimate Texas Hold'em table says the min is 10. What is this? Lucky Ladies, gotta be blackjack. 3-card poker. And more blackjack. And then you got more roulette. So that was the first bay of tables. There's another bay of tables. So you got some Wonder 4. I love the Wonder 4s. Got Dragon Links. Everybody loves a good Dragon Link bay. This thing is never ending. Got more of those rising rockets with the rockets come in. I don't know the name of this one, but it is cool. Those basically balls drop in and then you collect all that money. More Dragon Links. Huff and Puff. Everybody loves Huff and Puff. Those are not on right now, so they're gonna keep us guessing. Ooh, this is the brand. This is one of the newer Huff and Puffs. Huff and even more Puff.
Oh, really?
Dragon Links. We got Double Money Link. Not sure what that is. Oh man, no coin pusher. I love the coin pushers. Jewel of the Dragon. We got something Fu Dao Kai. More dancing drums. Dragon Legends. There's so much in this casino, it's unbelievable. Fortune Frenzy with the coins. We got, I don't really like this one. This is Island Rising. Not a big fan of this one. These were the tikis. You got your video pokers. More of the rockets. Oh, here's a working coin pusher. Nice. There's a working coin pusher. Huge wins. Triple coin. Oh, these are the I like these. Dragon Legends Aqua Gem's a good one. Man, this casino is never ending. More coin trios. Probably can buy the bonus on that version. Got Huff and Puffs. Lots of Huff and Puffs. That's the 4-bay. I like the big wheels. Buffaloes. Can't go wrong with some buffaloes. We got Diamond Age. I'm not exactly sure what that one is. More Lightning Links. We got featuring free spins on the 777s. More Lightning Links. Ultimate Fast Cash. Those are brand new. I hate these games, but the coys. This thing never ends. Mo Money. That's one of the best games ever. I don't know the name of this one, but basically those coins come down. Some more three reels. Oh, I don't like these either, but these are the piggy games. You got the Fortune Harmony. Another bay of these things. This is crazy. Honestly, this may be one of the craziest, biggest casinos I've been in on a cruise ship in a long time for a smaller ship. We got Lion Links, more Mo Monies. Mo Monies are amazing. More Lion Links. I think there's a whole other side over there. We got Money Link, we got Ultimate Fire Link. Got a whole center bay in here. This is crazy. Super Dragon Link. You got Mystery of the Lamps, a good one. Dragons Emperor, Dolphins Treasures. Oh my god, you got the new Monopolies. We're literally still going. Cashier. More Buffaloes. The Triple Power Pop. What do we got here? More Huff and Puffs. Whole nother bay of Huff and Puffs. Cash. Big Fu Cash Bats. You got Baozu with the quad pop. We got Queenie. It's a cool game. Haven't seen Queenie in a while. Another whole bay of dancing drums in the center here. We still have to make it in the inside here. Oh my goodness, we got Ocean Magic, Hex Breakers, Dragon Sphere. I literally think they shoved so many games in here. It's insane. Mystery of the Lamp again. This is a good one. Prosperity Link. Cash Crop is a good one. Eureka Blast. I don't know if I saw these on this. I might have missed these, I'm not sure. More Locket Links with Huff and Puffs. We missed these. I've never even seen this buffalo. That thing's got to be brand new. That buffalo has to literally be brand new. Piggy banking. This is insane. All right, I think that's it on the slots, honestly. I think they have, oh no, I lied. Oh my goodness. Got more back here. I'm not a big fan of these. Lucky Looters, Leprechauns, Buffalo Golds. Never seen these, but they look cool. Strike Respin. Jewel of the Dragon. That right there is all the slots. Holy smokes. You may never find me. Cashier. We got more table games. Let's see what else we got table game wise. So we got single deck blackjack, 15 minimum. We got roulette. We got baccarat. Oh wow, they actually have baccarat on here. $200 minimum. That's ridiculous. Oh, here's 25 blackjack. 15 blackjack. How is it $200 baccarat? That doesn't even make sense. That can't be right. $50 blackjack. So some more high limit over here. 15 blackjack's not high limit though. 3-card poker, 10 min. Single deck blackjack. And then one more big as mystery slots. And that right there is the entire casino.
Alrighty, that was the casino tour here on Liberty of the Seas. If you want to check out the full ship tour, that's on our channel so you can see the entire ship. Or if you want to come along with us on the vlog, we show you the food, the islands, the boat, the entertainment, everything. Make sure you check that out, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.